Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I am just doing a simple pantry organization video for y'all, and I'm just going to go ahead and hop straight into it. To start, we just wanted to go ahead and show off these canisters that I got from Home Goods. They are the flip tight canisters, and they are really cool. They have a suction when you flip the little top down, and that's really great for preserving your sugars or cookies or anything that you may be putting in these canisters. So Home Goods is where me and my sister went ahead and picked those up. So with these cookies, I am stacking them, but we just did this because we thought it would be cute. I mean, it is cute. So if you do have a little extra time, I definitely would recommend stacking your cookies into your canisters. So moving forward, we just want to go ahead and put all of her mixes into some canisters as well. With the mixes, we did want to make sure that she was still able to differentiate between what was what. So after we got them all leveled and into the canisters, we went ahead and grabbed her label maker and just made some cute little simple labels to go along the sides. This doesn't have to be anything fancy, y'all. We obviously don't have like a Cricut or anything, but the label maker got the job done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up the remaining canisters, and then we'll move into putting things back into the pantry. So we also went ahead and picked up a pack of 2 storage containers. This one we just decided to use for her chips and just a couple more snacks that she had laying around the pantry. We also went ahead and grabbed this cute little basket type storage container as well to put her bigger snacks. So moving right along, this is how her pantry looked before we began. So to start, we just wanted to go ahead and clear it out and put things back where they made the most sense. As you can see, I went ahead and put her snacks on the second shelf because that's what she reaches for most. And then we went down and put her sweeteners and mixes. So the way I decided to use the other storage container was to just go ahead and put her bags and plastic wraps in. So we just did that, put those down on the bottom shelf because that's something she doesn't reach for too often. So we also went ahead and grabbed a Lazy Susan just to put a couple condiments and some of her canned goods. She doesn't have that many canned goods, so real simple. At this point, we're pretty much done with the pantry organization. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave any comments down below if you have any questions about anything that we used. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!